Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a code toolkit in Notion. This is an incredibly useful way to organize all your frequently used code snippets in one centralized location, making them easy to find and reference whenever you need them during development. Let's start by opening the Notion web version and navigating to your workspace. Once you're there, head over to the specific page where you want to create your code toolkit. This could be a dedicated workspace for development resources or any page you frequently access during your coding sessions. Now, inside this page, type/gallery, and from the options that appear, select Gallery View. This creates a visual database that's perfect for organizing code snippets because it displays each entry as a card, giving you a clean, browsable overview of all your code. If you want to personalize it, click on the title of your newly created gallery and rename it to something like Code Snippets or Code Toolkit to make its purpose immediately clear. Next, click the New button within your gallery to add your first card. This card will represent an individual code snippet. Change the title to describe what the code does, something like Email Validation Function or API Authentication Handler, so you can identify it at a glance later. Open that card and type /code to insert a code block inside. This is where the magic happens. Paste or write your actual code snippet into this block, and don't forget to select the appropriate programming language from the drop-down menu that appears. This step is important because it adds syntax highlighting, making your code much easier to read and understand when you come back to it. If you want to make your toolkit more visually appealing and easier to navigate, you can add icons and cover photos to each card. This optional step helps you quickly distinguish between different types of snippets at a glance. To build out your toolkit, simply repeat this process for each code snippet you want to store. Create a new card, title it, add the code block, and paste your snippet. As your collection grows, you can add properties to organize snippets by language, category, or use case, making searches even more efficient. Finally, let's customize the appearance. Click on the three dots in your gallery to access settings, then navigate to layout options. Change the card preview setting to page cover for a more polished professional presentation that showcases your cover images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.